Welcome to my channel. We will learn to design a LED circuit using Arduino. For this we will use an online free platform that is Thinkercad. So go on this site Thinkercad and sign up using your Gmail account. You will land to dashboard like this. We have 3D designs, circuits, code blocks, lessons. Suppose we will click on circuits. Click on create new circuit. Now we can rename a circuit as a new circuit. We have some basic components on top of it. We have code option, start simulation, export and share. We can also share our code. Now first we will take Arduino Uno R3. Just click and drag it. We can also change its position, make it vertical. Now we will take breadboard. By same drag and drop procedure. Now on breadboard we will arrange 3 LEDs. With the same drag and drop procedure. And after that connect them to 3 resistors. Then connect the resistors to ground. We can also change the color of LEDs. Let us make this one as a green and the second one yellow and the third one blue. On Arduino, we have several ports. So first, let us connect the Arduino to the ground of breadboard. And 5 volt to the positive of breadboard. Since we have 3 LEDs and we have to connect them to Arduino, we will use 3 ports of Arduino. We will use port number 13, 12 and 11. Connect them to respective LEDs. If you are getting confused with the wires, we can also change the color of wires. So now we have completed our circuit. Now let's write the code. In this we can write the code in two formats, block format or text format. In the text format, basic setup is given. Since we have used 3 LEDs, so we have to write the code for 3 LEDs. In this loop, only 13 is given. Let us copy this and paste it here 2 times. Now we will make a slight changes. We will make 13 to 12 and this 13 to 11. We have done this with high and now we will do the same with the low. We will copy this and paste 2 times. Same we will change this 13 to 12 and this 13 to 11. We are giving a delay of 1000 millisecond. First of all it will become high, then afterwards it will have a delay of 1000 millisecond and then it will again change it to low. Now we have completed our code. Now start simulation. We can see that LEDs are blinking after a 1000 millisecond interval. Now stop simulation. So in this way we have blinked 3 LEDs in the simulation in interval of 1000 milliseconds. If you want to glow LEDs simultaneously, that is one at a time, so we just need to make a minute changes in the code. In this we will take animation speed is equals to 0. Here I have made a code for you all. We have to bring high and low of same LED together. Like we have first bring high of 13, then low of 13, and same with the other two, 12 and 11. Now we will start simulation. As we can see that all the 3 LEDs are glowing simultaneously, that is one after the another at the interval of 4000 millisecond. Thank you.